Hello guys, welcome again to another exciting tutorial. Some of you are having challenges creating YouTube channel banner, and that is why I have come up with this video to show you a step-by-step process of creating YouTube channel banner. Because most of you, when creating your YouTube channel banner, you find out that when you upload the channel banner, you are not able to have the full view of what you design. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step method on how to do this. So now if you're using a mobile phone or you're using your laptop, this is the same process that you are going to follow. We'll be using Canva in this video for the design. So now let's go on and start creating our channel banner. Open up Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, we use this to create designs and other things for content creation. So you just have to sign in with your account. The app is available on Play Store and App Store. So when you sign in, you're going to come to an interface like this. What we will do now is to tap on this search bar. You will see a search bar there. So you just tap on the search bar, and here we are going to search for YouTube banner. And when you search for this, you are going to see different templates that you can use. I will advise you create your own from the scratch. If you cannot create from the scratch, then I will show you how you can actually use any of these templates to your own taste. Now we are going to create this first from the scratch. So we are going to tap on this blank document, then tap on that, and it will allow us to create our channel banner from the scratch. Do not go ahead to start creating your channel banner. Instead, what you will do first, you have to follow these steps I'm showing you in this video so that you will not make mistake. First, what you will do is to go to your Google Chrome. From here, we are going to search for this. We are going to use a guide. So what you will search for, YouTube channel banner size PNG. Make sure you include this PNG at the last part of your search. So I'm going to hit search on my keyboard, and when I do this, you are going to see all these guides. These are the guides that we are going to use. Okay, I will explain what this guide does as we proceed in this video. Now we are going to download this guide. I would have been able to provide you with this guide under the description of this video, but I will not do that because I want you to actually go and do some things by yourself. You go and search and find this guide and download it. Follow the step and following in this video. Most of you are not subscribing to my channel and you are getting value from my video. You are not subscribing. You are not liking the video. You are not commenting, and you are getting value. It is not good. Try to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment if you find value from my video. So when you tap on this, you can see the website that we are going to download this thing is called 𝗀𝗃𝗃. When you tap on this, you are going to tap on visit. Some of you will press on this area and download it. Do not do that. It will download with all this checkboard background. Do not do that. Tap on visit. So we are going to tap on the visit option and go straight to the website. So when you get to this website, you just have to scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see a download button. It is the same thing on laptop. You see a free download button. Just tap on that free download, and any ads that pop ups, you just have to cancel the ad, and you wait, and the file is going to be downloaded. So you can see it has been downloaded. Now what you will do is to go back to your Canva. So I'm going to go back to my Canva. I believe this video is going to be very simple for you if you follow this step I am following. Now when you go back to your Canva, at the down side here, you are going to see uploads. Okay, if you scroll this down side, you will see uploads. Simply tap on that upload button, and from here we are going to upload that guide that we downloaded. To upload the guide, you tap on upload file and go and select that file that you downloaded. So if I should tap on that, it's going to take me to my device, my gallery, and look at the guide. You cannot see it because it is without background and the outline is also black. So if I tap on that, it's going to do what? Upload that. You can see I now have to, because I've uploaded it before. These are the guides. So that has been uploaded. What you will do is to select it. Just select it and it's going to appear on your design like this. Now pay attention to this. What you are going to do is to use this point, this handles, this point, that's what you are going to use. Do not use this one. Leave this one. Don't use this one when you are enlarging this. Do not use this one. So I'm going to use this corner point. I'll long press and drag. Make sure it fits the entire area like this. Okay, it fits the entire area. So now let me explain to you what you have to pay attention to. When you are editing this, anything within this area, this inner box, is going to appear on all devices, including small mobile phones and every other devices. Now let me show you another thing. Anything within this other device, including the inner one, is going to appear on laptop devices, desktop devices, as the case may be. Now pay attention again. Anything within this other area is going to appear on bigger screen, let's say TV and all that. If people view your channel from any of those devices, it's going to appear there. Now let me show you another thing again, because some of you will not follow this video now. Anything here, the entire area like this, will appear on bigger devices, let's say smart TVs, all those big devices, it will appear there. Now let's move on. Let's proceed with our video, because I believe I've shown you something you need to pay attention to. Okay, so we are paying attention to this area because this area is going to show on laptop devices. This area, that is what we are paying attention to. Then mostly we are paying attention to this inner area because it will show on mobile phone, because most people view their channel through mobile phones. So that is that. So now you are going to bring in your AI image or anything you want to use to design your channel banner. You simply go to the uploads and upload any. If you want to use AI image, it is left for you. You just have to tap on the upload files and upload that image. So let's say I want to make use of this image, so I'm going to upload that image. You can see it has been uploaded. So what I will do now, just tap on it and it will be added like this. So I'm going to place it inside this inner area. So you can see I'm going to place it inside this area so that I can see the guide under this. What we will do is to tap on these three dots, and from here you can see send backward. So you can see if I send backward, it will give me access to see the guide so that I will know where my image will be placed. But one other thing you can do, because if you try to select the image when you send it to the back, it will not be selected. It will allow you to select the upper image. So what you can do is to select it, then go to more and go to lock it. So we are going to lock it so that we can select the image layer. So if you should go to layer now, you can select the down layer. You see now. So I can just place it very well. So I can place it. If I want only their hair to show under there, I can just place it as the case may be. So you can just go to layer, make sure that is selected, so I can place it. So what I'm trying to do is so that the face will show inside this area. That is what I am trying to do. You can combine two images and place it at that location. It is left for you to decide. Then now what we are going to do now is this. I'll go to upload again and upload another AI image. If it is AI image you are trying to use, that is what I'm explaining. So I'll bring this one to the full the entire area. Then I'll go scroll to the bottom side. Then from here you can see we'll have position. So this position, I'll take it back so that it enters the back of the area. So what we are going to do now is this. So we have gotten this inner area, which was very, very important for us to get. Okay, it was very, very important for us. So you can make sure that it aligns perfectly. You just do some tweaking to your work and you have what you are looking for. So we have gotten that now. So you can decide to add text over this inside image, but make sure it doesn't cross this inner outline you get. So you can add your text. If you want to add text, you can add your text over it. If you want to add shape, you can add your shape over it. And when you are done, you simply go to the download button. Go to the download button here. I'm going to show you how to upload it so that you will not make mistake. After doing this, you remove the guide, select the guide, unlock it and delete it so that it will not be saved. So you have something like this. Tap on the download button to save your image. So after saving my image, I'm going to go to YouTube and upload this to my YouTube channel banner so that you can see what I was explaining to you, not to exceed the outline. Okay, all right, so that has been saved now. So let me just go to any of my YouTube channel and try to upload this to my to change my YouTube banner so that you can see what I have been explaining to you. So from here, let me just switch. Let me switch any of my accounts. So let's say we will do it to this one. So you can see this channel doesn't have any banner. So what I'm going to do now is to go to this button. What I'm going to do is to tap on this edit button. So if I tap on that edit button, it will give me access to change the channel banner. So what I'm going to do is to tap on this camera icon, and from here you can choose from photos. So I'm going to select that photo which I just did, and from here you can see what we have. So initially when you select the image, it's going to full the entire screen. So you are just going to use your finger to zoom it down to the initial size. So now see what I was explaining to you. Like I said this one will be visible on all devices, then this one will be visible on desktop device, and this bigger area will be visible on TV, or yes, and that's that. So now you can see that our channel banner is suitable on any platform. So let me just tap on save and you will see the effect. So now let's just refresh it. So now you can see that the channel banner fits in perfectly. And that is how you create your YouTube channel banner using your mobile phone or your laptop from Canva. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this.